Guys, I ate eggs, rice. Now my stomach is dead. I'm gonna die. Look at you looking at yourself and then in the mirror. It's the same. It's the same.
I hope everyone likes my villa in Gabon. You're all invited.
Yeah, this is Michael's villa in Gabon. That's what you said, right? Soon to be. Went to Radisson for breakfast, but I didn't really vlog it because I was so tired. And honestly, I don't like to put people who are not really comfortable to be in my vlog, so I try to keep my phone away. And I talked to my parents.
Grace took us to church.
And we went to church as well. Wow, that was a very nice church, but it was 5 hours. It was, trust me guys, it was 5 hours.
And then
but it was good.
And then we went to Grace's father's house.